So welcome back, mini truckers, mini truckettes. We have a 1994 Honda Acty in here with a crank no start, and we figured out pretty quick on that it's a fuel delivery issue. Dad's been out here since, I don't know, what, 4:30 this morning. He took the dash apart. All you got to do is take the glove compartment, actually underneath the glove compartment, that little tray, and you can access the fuel relay. Fuel relay is not turning on. You don't hear the clicking underneath the dash. Go to your fuse panel, make sure the turn signal fuses are good. If they're good, that's what powers that relay. So that relay is number one suspect of crank no start, not delivering fuel. You jump the...
I jumped the where you plug in the relay at. I jumped it, got power to the fuel pump, and the fuel pump's weak on it. We figured out that it's the relay. We jumped it, it's no fire going to the pump. So it's the relay in it. And then the pump is weak on it because the pump is not putting out a lot of fuel. It's just kind of spitting out.
How much gas is in it?
It's almost full.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You know,
I think that filter might be causing it to...
That filter's a lot clogged up too. See, this is the filter out from under it. And that filter's pretty dirty. You see the brown gunk and stuff like that in it. We're gonna put all new fuel lines on it. And
You want to change that? Just change the filter and just see if...
No, I got the pump unloosened under there.
Oh, okay.
I got a hose directly from the tank, directly to the
pump?
Oh,
okay.
And then from the pump out into a draining pan on the other side.
Okay.
And it just spitting out. It ain't what you call a full force stream.
It's not a good flow.
That would push it all the way up to the carburetor.
Hmm.
Yeah, so that's what I found, what I've done this morning.
So I'll get a relay ordered, we'll get a fuel pump ordered.
Yeah.
He already gave us filters.
I thought I had a fuel pump where I could check it out and everything. We done used it.
Yeah, we used it already.
The fuel pump.
Yeah.
We done used it, so we got to order a fuel pump for it and a relay for it.
Okay.
But we found the most dangerous part of it is that relay.
Yeah, those relays, they're pricey. They're over $100. It's kind of a weird relay. It's not one that you can just go buy.
No, it's about $150 relay.
It's got some kind of diode or a chip in it, or it does have a computer chip in it.
Yeah, it's got some chips in it, stuff like that. And I done took it apart and all.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Yep. So we'll get one of these ordered in. Hopefully, warehouse has got them. Yeah, hopefully, warehouse has got them in stock.
We'll get it sent to us. Get a fuel pump sent to us.
Well, if you guys are having a crank no start issue, fuel delivery, that's where you're going to start at. Make sure that turn signal fuse is working, and make sure your relay is clicking on and off.
Yeah. If
your relay is not clicking on and off, you don't hear it working, just start investigating it. Figure out where the relay plugs in at. Get a test light, see which ones are hot. And there's three of them.
There's three.
Two are hot, one's not.
Yeah.
So just jump a wire from one of the hot ones to the one that's neutral.
Yeah, the yellow wire with a black stripe on it goes to the fuel pump.
Jump to that and it'll turn the fuel pump on.
We got that done so far, so we'll go from there. I'm gonna pull the fuel pump out Monday.
So stick around. We'll get some updated videos on this later, and hope you guys enjoy, and we'll catch you on the next one.